this video, we will learn that what is the purpose of philosophy. Purpose of philosophy. The purpose of philosophy is to explore fundamental questions about existence, reality, knowledge, values, ethics, and the nature of the universe and our place in it. Philosophers seek to understand the world and human experience by analyzing concepts, constructing arguments, and developing theories that offer insights into the most basic and profound aspects of life. Philosophy is a discipline that seeks to explore questions that cannot be answered through empirical observation or scientific inquiry alone. By engaging in philosophical inquiry, individuals can develop critical thinking skills, learn to analyze complex ideas and arguments, and gain a deeper understanding of the world around them. Philosophy has practical applications in fields such as ethics, law, politics, education, and religion. Philosophical theories and insights can inform decision-making, shape public policy, and provide a framework for ethical reasoning and moral judgment. Overall, the purpose of philosophy is to engage in rigorous and systematic inquiry into the most fundamental questions about existence and the nature of reality, with the goal of gaining a deeper understanding of ourselves, our world, and our place in it.